Atineru Junction. Even them in army checkpoint. Ever I know now. When I send them, they must go. They must go. Army must go. Don't run. Never shoot, run, no. Go, proceed. Let's go. Atineru Junction. Army checkpoint. Ndani kick kwa la beha o. Kick la beha. Kick la beha manu mazu. Umaka yuju mu no December. Na ndani galadere. We are crying. Ani na ba kwa na se ndi agala.
Oye, Lady.
We are not going to. We are on a mission.
Yes, sir.
And our mission is not divided. Our only mission is to pursue the kidnappers out of Umunochi local government. To pursue the kidnappers and the security forces that are aiding them.
Yes, sir.
Our mission, right on. We have already made our demands known to the government. We have demanded that this road, this is road, the Hube road. Right on. We have demanded from the government that this road must be opened within the next 7 days. We have also demanded from the government that the cattle market at Umunochi should be relocated. And the most important among others is that we have demanded from the government that we don't need the military checkpoint at Farmer Junction again.
We don't need them. We don't need them anymore.
Please pay attention. And without missing West, without fear of panic and contradiction, they are hearing us, they are over there, they are hearing us. We are not here to confront anybody. We are here to mandate them to back up. We are here to mandate them to leave Umunochi government. We don't need the services of the government again. They are welcome. And as we demand that they should within the next 7 days vacate from this place. We have overindulged and we want to use the building for other economic purposes. And if in the next 7 days they do not leave, they will get what they want. If in the next 7 days they do not leave,
7 days.
we are going to take laws into our hands. We are not afraid of them. A lot of kidnapping activities have been going on here. And right at the back of the military base.
Yes.
And we are not happy about that. And without missing West, we are indicting the military. We are demanding that they should leave. We are moving forward to Meru Junction. And we are going to stop movement in the next half hour.
Yes.
We want you to burn. We want you to burn. Praise God.
We don't need you anymore.
Share this post. Share this post. Share this video. Share this video. Share this video. On a Kotunda, Umunochi, Ebe State. They can do you too. Umunochi na say. Nde me lawan. Gadi kilawan. Ike agulanye. Anya na bataguno kuma lan. Ike agulanye. Ike agulanye. You to na sunu landame. Land. It is over. Our agreement. I just got to get on the bottom.
English language. I saw one more.
Okay. I'm still okay. You're not doing that. I hear you doing that. Guy, I can't go eat. I can't.